Welcome back everyone, D-Man here.
Today I have an unboxing.
That's right, unboxing time, right?
Why don't we use a DMKusa certified knife? Made this a while back, titanium, carbon fiber, and of course Damascus steel, right? Great lockup. You can put your pocket clip there, your options. Yeah.
Anyways, enough of that. File that off to the side. And let's see what we have.
Oh boy.
What is that? Can it be a Spyderco? Let's see what we have here. Oh boy. Yep. It is the Para 3. First initial thoughts, very light. Before we even get to the knife, let's see what this is. Okay, it's your typical booklet. So, always save your boxes, guys. Put that back in there like so. And we're going to file that off to the side. Okay, not bad. Looking at the construction. Okay, yeah. Well, let's see. Little bit of wobble back and forth. Yeah. Alright, so let me see. I don't even know what to think about this knife. Okay. See, the thing is about making knives is that I'm so picky looking at other knives. I actually catch a lot more than what a regular person does. Pocket clip is nice. Deep carry, I like that. Pivot screws, the standoffs, they look pretty good. Locking mechanism is about, it's in the beginning stage of lockup. Closer grip there. I guess it's centered alright. I see something that's just bugging me. I think it's just the way they ground it. This side here is ground more than what this side is. But overall, great little knife. So the next thing I'm going to do is EDC it. EDC it throughout the day and throughout days coming up.
Alright, so update on her. Not too bad. I've been using it for 3 weeks now since the unboxing. Now, I had mentioned that it was off-centered, and as you can see, it appears to be that, but actually it's just the way they ground the blade. So they took off more meat off this side than what they did on this side. Actually, I should say this side. They took off more here than what they did there. And you can tell by down here. Another thing you can probably tell right off the bat is that I actually been using this quite a bit. And I'm really surprised that the finish is holding up. Look at that. I am really surprised with that. I've been cutting everything with this, from foods to plastics to cardboards to paper to meat to what else? I don't know, but that's what I can remember right now. And not too bad. The other thing I did do, as you can tell, the edge is polished up. What I did was I put it onto a 800 King whetstone, and then from there I went to 2000, and then I worked on it for a while there, and then I just Gave it a nice little polish, just to get that little, you know, screaming edge, which was already nice and sharp from the factory. So shout out to that. See that? All that pocket lint. Like I said, I've been carrying her, and I'm not shy to ruin that finish. And I'm really surprised that this thing is just not peeling, not chipping, nothing. Look at that. Other than here, what is that? I think that's just a stain of some kind of food or something, or oil. Yeah, like I said, I just been using this thing. That's what a knife is for. Oh, look at that. I do see a little bit of wear right there. Right on the edge of the ricasso. See that? You can see it shining. So there's a little bit of wear there. Alright, so that's cool. That's what I like to see. I like to see a knife being utilized. That's what's up. I like the appearance. I like the all blacked out theme. Just wish that continued so with the steel inside. Like how they did it here. That was nice. That just stands out. I just don't like that. But other than that, it's a nice looking knife, I guess. It's not everybody's cup of tea. I know that. But guys, gals, I don't just purchase Spydercos because I think they look cool. I purchased it because of the steel. And she's nice and smooth now. She's broken in. Look at that. Very smooth. Yeah, not a bad little knife. Alright, I gotta get out of here. Thanks a lot for coming in, checking out this quick video. I want to give a shout out to all my new subs. Special shout out to my old subs, especially the DMKusa crew. You know who you are. Shout out to everyone rocking out with me over on Instagram. That's where I'm at. Full time at Full Throttle. Oh, and I almost forgot. Another special shout out to all the woodpeckers and plugs out there. You know who you are as well. Alright, I'm out of here. Cheers.